Hi guys, and welcome back to another video where we're here at Ouzoud Waterfalls, and later on we'll be heading to Imlil. It's 9 AM and we're just about to leave Marrakesh to go to Ouzoud Falls. It's about 2.5 hours. Let's get there. So we're just making a quick little pit stop at this little cafe here. The drive so far has been absolutely stunning. As you can probably see the start of the Atlas Mountains in the background. So yeah, quick pit stop and then back on the road. Doesn't matter what country we're in, you always have a cat on your lap, don't you? So this is the little setting we have. Just a little petrol station, but the views are amazing. No, sat on me, ain't you? Hey.
I'm gonna feel bad getting it off.
Well, don't, because we've got some waterfalls to go and see. So, we have just been pulled over by the Popo. In Morocco, they've got a load of checkpoints. So, I did a violation then. I didn't go when they said. I went before they said come. So, they got me out the car and asked for 400 dirham, which is about 30 quid. So, I quickly remembered what change I had and told Saz to just give me the 150 dirham. And I said, look, this is all I have, this is all I have. I'm sorry. Please let me go, sir. And I got away with 150 dirham and no ticket, because they can't write a ticket if they don't get the money. So, yeah, it's about £12 fine, which isn't too bad, but still annoying, because that's all they're looking for here. It's just a quick way to make a little bit of money in their back pocket. So, apart from that though, the drive has been fantastic. So we've just arrived at Ouzoud Falls. Just parked the car up now and gonna head down. First things first, I think we're gonna get some lunch.
Yeah, I'm starving.
We haven't eaten yet today, so gonna get some lunch and then we'll show you I think I'm right in saying, the largest waterfalls in Morocco, or at least northern Morocco.
There we go.
There we go. Well, I think we found our little lunch spot. Not a bad lunch view. Well, that's lunch done. Now we're heading down to the waterfalls to show you what's down there. Here's one of the cafes on the way down that have got an incredible view. You see the waterfall there? Amazing. On the walk down as well, there are hundreds of little shops selling souvenirs and gifts, etc. Along with those cafes that I just showed you with the incredible views. So this is one of the viewpoints midway down. We've still got to walk all the way down there. So you can see all of the little boats down there, which for a small fee can take you right underneath this waterfall here. And I imagine will probably be the best viewpoint. All of the restaurants here have got the tagines outside ready to go, and as you can see, the restaurants as you get further down get busier because you got this as your view for lunch. Here are said boats. We'll let you know how much they are shortly. There's a very beautiful waterfall here, I must say. So it's quite busy here, but it's not overrun, so there's lots of photo opportunities and places that you can sit, isn't there?
Yeah, got loads of cafes and stuff.
Yeah. So yeah, definitely worth a trip from Marrakesh. Right, Saz, put your hands out. Yeah, lovely stuff. There we go. Good photo. Great photo. Here we go. Hopefully we can get on this one or the next one. It'll be nice. Another stunning day here in Morocco. Look at this. Beautiful. So, for 20 dirham each, which, as you said, is a bargain, we are just about to go and get ourselves wet. Thankfully, I've got my rain jacket on. Sad, however.
I got my hood.
She's got a hood, but that's it. Some power on the boy. Hey, some power. It's like the old V10 F1 car, this.
No!
The Italians don't want to get wet.
Yes.
Molto freddo. Here we are, just about to get soaked. The closer you get, the more power you feel from the waterfall. Crazy.
Agafei Express.
So we're back up the top now and we're venturing over to the other side, which is the high side of the waterfall. Can't believe it's a free attraction, eh?
Yeah, if you like us and have your own car, then yeah, it's totally free. But obviously if you're staying in a hotel or something like that, then you do have to pre-book it as like a whole package kind of.
I think tour wise there's probably 20 or 30 buses here today, but
you definitely don't need a tour guide.
And there's tour guides here as well that try and get you to go with them, and they'll take you around, but again, you don't need anyone to take you around. It's
pretty easy to get yourself around.
Yeah, definitely. So we're just at the top side now, and I'm going to show you a couple of the viewpoints from here. And also there's monkeys apparently, so hopefully they don't nick my phone. So that's where we were a second ago, down that side. This top side at the minute, you can't see anything of the waterfalls at all. Still a beautiful view that way though, isn't there?
Yeah.
Nice looking down into the gorge. At you, gorge. It's nice and peaceful up here though. I think we've missed the bulk of the crowds that came this way earlier when we went the other way. So that's good.
Got too many flows, I be killing them. Oh baby, tell me say she feeling them. Ain't worth a mile, it's a million them. Say baby, I. Got too many flows, I be killing them. Oh baby, tell me say she killing them. Mine worth a die, yeah, she killing them.
Well, that is it from Ouzoud Falls. We did see a couple of monkeys just as we turned around to go back to the car. Now we're going to jump in the car and head to Imlil, which is about an hour away. Imlil is a little city in the foot of the Atlas Mountains, so hopefully we can see some snow, because we see some snow on mountaintops on the way in. So yeah, we will see you when we get to Imlil. So, do you want to hear a funny story? I've booked Imlil, the place that we wanted to go, booked the right hotel. But whilst doing research and seeing like the logistics of how we're going to get everywhere, there's another Imlil near here, about an hour away, which is the Imlil I thought we were going to. But the Imlil we want to go to and I booked in is 4 hours away. So we won't be doing that. We're going to be heading back to Marrakesh. Whether we go to Imlil tomorrow or not, we're not sure. We'll see what tonight brings, eh?
Yeah.
So this might be the end of the video. If it is, bye. If it's not, we'll see you in Imlil tomorrow. We've had a quick little think, and because it was going to take quite a while to get back to Marrakesh anyway, we've thought, let's go for it. So we're going to go to Imlil at the foot of the Atlas Mountains, and we've got 2.5 hours to go. Come on! made it. We are finally here in Imlil. That probably today wasn't for everyone, but for me, who loves driving and exploring new places, that was amazing. The roads were stunning. The scenery was unbelievable, wasn't it?
Yeah.
As you've seen from the clips a minute ago. But yeah, we're here now. Just going to go check in, have dinner, and then probably chill, and then have a look around Imlil tomorrow. Maybe go for a little trek, and yeah. From the desert of Agafay to the mountains of Imlil, the Dacia Sandero. So this is the footpath that I think we must be staying in that one up there. You can see a little bit of smoke coming from, I'm guessing. How did you find the 4-hour drive?
Fine for me, I had a few naps.
Definitely glad we came up this way though. We never would have seen anything like this down in Marrakesh. So yeah, pleased we've ventured out this far. Here we are. We're at Atlas Four Seasons. Look at the view. Beautiful. Nice little balcony. Saz is in there. Beautiful in here, isn't it?
Yeah, nice and warm.
Yeah. So we're just going to be welcomed in Berber tradition.
What?
Wait. With a little boy, so cute, isn't he? Bless him. Yes, we're going to be welcomed with a mint tea, I believe.
Yeah, and then shown to our room.
Lovely. Beautiful place.
It'll be nice when that fire's on later.
Yeah, I think you just stoked it. Yeah. Very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. Oh, it's burning lovely now. Thanks to old matey who's just started that for us.
I might have to try and do it.
Moroccan size. So here is our room. Or going towards our room rather. How cute. It's nice, isn't it? So this is the communal quarters, which is very nice. Board games, etc. Obviously that's our room. Tea and coffee station. Beautiful. And we have a balcony as well. Here is said balcony. Beautiful. Love it. The room also is fully equipped with slippers, hats, and some Moroccan attire, which we are welcome to use. Well, this is bloody lovely. And they're going to come knock on the door, aren't they? Let us know when dinner's ready. So.
Yeah.
Peace and quiet. Is the locals screaming at us? Or screaming at a cat? Oh! This is looking good.
Thank you too. Wow.
There is the money shot. Hello. And would you believe we get one each? Good morning from Imlil. It's 8:30 a.m. I'm just about to have breakfast and it is 1 degree. It's absolutely freezing here, hence the woolly hat. Very glad I packed it. So Imlil is situated 1,800 meters above sea level, and a lot of people use Imlil as a base to hike up Jebel Toubkal, which is the highest mountain in northern Africa. So there's not an awful lot to do around here, if I'm honest, but we just wanted to be here for the night, experience staying in this riad, and yeah, just get a feel for what it would be like to stay in the high Atlas Mountains. So we're gonna head out for a walk a bit later on, but breakfast first, and then we'll show you around the little village of Imlil.
These are the best pancakes in the world. Yeah, they say fruit pancakes. You can put them with sweet, but no.
Breakfast done, and cat lady is back. So this is where we're staying. Our one's just there, balcony by the fan. Yeah, beautiful building, just carved into the side of the mountains. Another beautiful day, guys. Oh, so we are checked out, bags in the car, and bloody freezing. Can't believe this is only 40 miles away from Marrakesh, where it's not really hot, but
A bit warmer than this.
yeah, it's definitely warmer than this. You got 2 pairs of trousers on, haven't you?
And 2 tops.
2 tops, two pairs of
Well,
trousers.
I didn't pack well at all.
I mean, I did say it was going to be 2 degrees when we get to the mountains, but yeah. So we're just going to go for a walk now, show you a little bit of Imlil in and around the village, and then that'll be it, won't it?
Yeah.
That'll be it for Morocco as well. This is our last stop, so home time tomorrow. It's been quite enjoyable, really, hasn't it?
Yeah, no, it has been good.
Yeah, been really good, and I think with a little bit more thinking and time, we probably could and would do the mountain trek. I think that would be quite fun. It's only about 6 hours from here to get to the top, and you do it over 2 days. So yeah, that if you're near Marrakesh, I'd say come to Imlil. It's quite an experience. So we just got onto the main road in Imlil. Very pretty. Oh, I can't tell you how cold I am. Wowzers. Not for us today, but I imagine that would be quite cool in spring. Got decent bikes there. Oh, so we're almost at the top of Imlil now. So if you follow the road right through the town, it leads you up here, and we're following a group of hikers who look like they're on an organised walk with a guide. So yeah, you can also hire guides here who'll take you on like a 3-hour or 4-hour hike, 5 to 6 hour hike, depending on how far you want to go, depending on how much you pay. It's about €10 per person, I think. Oh, and that'll do for this clip. It's bloody hard work going up this hill, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh. Too hot already?
Not too hot.
Double leopard print. Look at this, look. Fashion icon. The sun is coming out now. Well, the sun's been out, but the sun is now on us, and it's getting a touch warmer. Too warm for all this, but we didn't bring a bag, stupidly. So, just gonna stop and have a drink somewhere quickly, and then continue the trek. I would not like to play Imlil FC. Bloody hell, the view's not very good. And also, if your ball goes over the edge, if you score a goal down that end, you're looking at a hell of a way to go and retrieve your ball. Yeah, they must have nets and be very, very good at this. And Saz, the mountain goat, off she goes. So we are taking a little shortcut up here, just up from the football pitch, which is there. How you finding it?
Alright, I'm just hot.
Yeah. It was freezing when we left there, wasn't it?
Yeah.
A man down there with his donkey. So yeah, we're just going to walk up the edge of here and take a look at the view from this, what seems to be a high point here, and then walk back down, because we don't want to do like a 5-6 hour trek. 2 to 3 hours is enough for us today, so excuse me if I've got hat hair as well, quite possibly. Yep, I've just been told I have. Thanks for telling me. Oh, I do love climbing up mountain cliffs. Look at all the mountain goats there. They look like ants crawling across the floor. Oh, that's amazing. The view from here, absolutely stunning. So glad we did venture here in the end and didn't bottle it and just go back to Marrakesh. It was well worth it. See, there's someone just sat there. Oh, focus. There, that. Just sat chilling. So whilst I was up on the other side then, I seen the tour guide go this way, over the other side of the mountain. So we're just trekking up that side now, have a little look before heading back down into Imlil, and get some lunch before we head back to Marrakesh, I think. So it looks like there's another route up that way, but we are heading that way towards the snow, around the corner. This trek isn't for the faint-hearted. Oh, and after saying earlier about a guide, I would recommend maybe taking a guide. We're following one, but yeah, get a guide and they can show you this beautiful place. So this trail that we're currently on, follow my phone, goes up there, around that green patch, and then up the side of there. You might not be able to see the trail, and then heads back down that way. We, however, are done for the trekking, and we're going to head back down now, aren't we? Yeah. Oh, the air is so crisp and clean up here. Oh, as Saz just said, it's like nature's own Vicks. Oh, breathe it in. What a place. Hi. So there's trails all the way around here. You can literally walk anywhere you want in Imlil and get this amazing view. Well guys, that's it for our time here in Morocco. We'll see you next time in Peru.